Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome to your channel Cooking Astrology. First of all, I would like to thank all of you for subscribing my channel and liking my videos. Thanks a lot for your love, affection and support. So today in this video, let's try to understand planet Saturn placement in the 5th house of your Vedic astrological birth chart and what are the kind of results that are associated with this placement of Saturn. Let's try to understand in this video. Also, I'm going to cover up the special aspects of Saturn because Saturn is going to aspect 5 places away, 7 places away and 10 places away from its original placement. So what are the karmas that are associated with your 7th house of marriage, 11th house of incoming gains and the 2nd house of family, wealth and savings? So let's try to decode this mystery. Let me tell you, this is a very important placement of Saturn. Saturn in the trine houses, 1st, 5th and 9th. So there are some very heavy karmas that you have to fulfill in this present birth. First of all, let's try to understand what is planet Saturn in Vedic astrology. See, Saturn is a planet which shows the practical side of the life. Saturn is a karaka of all the hardships, unnecessary pain, fear, worries and anxieties that you are going to experience in your life. Saturn is a karaka of hard work as well. The amount of efforts that you are putting towards something is seen from Saturn. Because Saturn is a very slow moving planet. So if you are having very well dignified Saturn in your horoscope, it means you are always going to get results in the later stages of your life. You have to put a lot of efforts, lot of restrictions towards that side of the life, and only then you are going to receive the beneficial results from that areas of your life. Saturn also symbolizes the justice. All the legal matters, lawyers, all the judges, court cases, everything legal activities are connected with Saturn. All the construction business, coal, iron, steel industry, metal, aluminium, all such kind of things, they are purely seen from this planet. Even let me tell you, Saturn is a very technical planet. All the technical areas of the life, technicality, long-term vision, like you are like doing something for the long term. So you are having that kind of a perspective of mind. So that thing is also seen from Saturn. Because this is a planet which shows the progressive path. Like you are standing right now here and you are starting something from the very scratch. And then you are slowly moving towards the path of success. So that progression in your life is seen from Saturn. Progression in your personal life, in your career life, in your wealth, savings, money, the kind of success which you are going to get in your life, all things are governed by Saturn. So this is a very important planet. And on the other hand, the 5th house in Vedic astrology, this is the house of your Purva Punya Bhav, past life deeds. The karmas that you have performed in the previous life and you have bring that past life deeds into this present life. So the placement of the 5th house lord or the condition of the 5th house, it is going to determine the kind of results that you are going to get in your life because of your past life deeds. So that is a very important house. Apart from this 5th house, it is the house of your creativity, creation, the level of creation or creativity which is present inside your mind. Your childbirth, children is also seen from 5th house because you are creating, even creation, any kind of a creation, new creations are seen from 5th house. Apart from this 5th house, it is the house of the mantra sadhana, chanting mantras, spirituality, occult, mysticism, astrology, and especially all the ancient knowledge related to Rig Veda, Yajur Veda, Athar Veda. So if you are having all such kind of a inclination towards the ancient side of the things, it means your 5th house is very well connected. Also 5th house represents planning. If you are planning something, your intelligence, the level of intellect which is present inside you, your romantic abilities, it also symbolizes your fun part of the life, fun, enjoyment. So all things are seen from the 5th house. So whenever planet Saturn comes in your 5th house, first of all, this is a very karmic placement because here there are going to be some past life karmas that are coming in this present birth and you have to fulfill that karmas. And that karmas are number one associated with your childbirth. You are going to face a lot of difficulties in your life for obtaining a perfect child or childbirth in your life. Because let me tell you, in whichever house Saturn is posited, it is going to delay that aspect of your life. If 5th house, Saturn is posited in the 5th house of childbirth, it means you are going to obtain a kid after a lot of struggles. After a lot of hardships, you are going to obtain a children in your life. Apart from this, Saturn in the 5th house, it is a very slow moving planet. So initially in their childhood days, when they are going to school, learning something, school education, so here it become very difficult for these individuals to learn anything very easily. Like they will not be able to comprehend the information. Suppose there are 10 students that are present over there, but if one student who is having Saturn in the 5th house, it means that person is not be able to learn, understand very easily. Because Saturn is going to slow that mental aspect of your life as well. That is why in the later stages of the life, they tend to become lot of mature individuals, lot of wise even. And this is a very knowledgeable kind of a Saturn. Like this Saturn is initially, these individuals, they are going to see all the practical outlook towards the life as well. What this thing is doing, what that thing is doing. So that is why even in the education field, it is going to be more of a practical side. Apart from this, it is not necessary like in whichever field you have taken your bachelor's degree or your education that you are going to work into the same field. Because let me tell you, Saturn in the trine houses, 1st, 5th, 9th, irrespective of the education that you are going to take, the practical experience is going to matter a lot. And somewhere your career life is reshaped or built around that practical experiences. Because Saturn in the 5th house, it is going to give you lot of experiences of different environments, different cultures, different kind of a background settings. So that is why these individuals, they experience everything through their mind, which is Saturn. That is why a lot of maturity is going to become inside them with the passage of time. Apart from this, the fun part, romantic abilities, these things are somewhat getting destroyed in their life. I'm not saying like totally destroyed, but up to some extent. And let me tell you the reason why. See, as soon as they start moving towards doing fun, romantic abilities and all such kind of thing, Saturn is going to instill fear inside their mind. Like if you are not working hard, if you are going towards that kind of areas, you will not be able to get success in your life. And that is why they are the workaholic individuals. Consistently working. Even they are doing a job, 9 to 5 job, they are the individuals who are going to work after that as well. And that is the main reason, because Saturn is going to instill fear directly inside their mind. Like you have to work hard towards the aspects. 7th house of marriage, 11th house of incoming gains, 2nd house of wealth and savings. So that is a very workaholic kind of a Saturn. Apart from this, 5th house, it is originally the house of Surya, planet Sun. And that is ruled by the sign of Leo. So Leo, it is a very authoritative kind of a sign, like authority, power, gaining control over mass population. Even the fame is seen from the 5th house. So whenever Sun is in the, Sun is the original energy, is in the 5th house, it is of Surya, that Leo energy. So Saturn, whenever comes over there, Saturn don't easily adjust according to energy of Surya. Because Saturn is a very down to earth planet. Saturn is want to start something scratch, then go up. But the Surya energy in the later stages of the life, it is going to uplift this Saturn. And they are going to receive lot of name, fame, recognition, reputation, power, everything in the society. So that is a marvelous thing. But also please check the dignity of the Saturn. That plays a vital role in determining the complete results. If Saturn is posited in its own sign, exalted, or whether it is debilitated or in the inimical sign. Because let me tell you, if Saturn is very, very well posited, well connected with your 5th house, at some point in your life, you are going to do 2 tasks. Job, along with job, you are going to do some other activity as well. And with the passage of time, you are going to leave your job and work towards something else as well. You know that self-employed individuals, that things are seen from 5th house. Even all the doctors, surgeons, brain surgery, conducting all such kind of medical things where you have to cut something deeply, looking at something. So that kind of a technicality of the human side is also this Saturn has the ability to bring you. If you are a doctor, you are a very, very well efficient doctor. This is the power of Saturn, I'm telling you, because they are perfectionist. Saturn in the 5th house, they are hardcore perfectionist. If they are doing anything, they are doing to the extreme perfection. That is the karma of the Saturn, and they have to fail again and again, again and again, again and again in order to succeed in their life. Apart from this, Saturn is aspecting your 7th house of your marriage and married life. Here, there is going to be a very karmic backlog with your life partner. Like you are going to receive a very karmic spouse and life partner in your life as well. Although like it depends upon the placement or the condition of the 7th house and 7th house lord as well, or the aspects that 7th house is receiving. Because Saturn aspect on the 7th house, it is going to delay the aspect of marriage in your life as well, up to certain extent. But if 7th house is receiving some good aspects and that kind of things, then this is not going to delay the aspect. But it is preferable if you get married in the later stages, so that you will not be able to get burdened by the responsibilities. Because these individuals, they are very fearful of everything. Like they want the secure life. They value security over anything. And that is the main reason behind the 7th aspect. Because from the 5th and the 11th aspect, these are the two houses in Vedic astrology that are going to exchange maximum energy. Because 5th house, it is the house of your intelligence, it is the trine houses, and 11th house, it is the house of your gains, the kind of hopes, wishes and desires that you are having. And that is why Saturn is putting a lot of energy in your 11th house. That is why these individuals, they work consistently, non-stoppable towards achieving their goals, everything in their life. And if look at the condition of 11th house, which planet is sitting over there and which planet Saturn is exchanging energy with. Saturn is a malefic planet. In the 11th house, if it is also a malefic planet, hardcore professionals, very good aspect in terms of the materialistic things, money and riches. Because Saturn have the ability from the 5th house to grow your 11th house as well, of your incoming gains, hopes, wishes and desires. So this Saturn is also going to give you very big hopes, very big wishes. Because here Saturn is also acting like a Surya, sun, like I'm the authoritative person. And when Saturn is in the authority of something, it means Saturn is a very, very powerful Saturn. That is why Saturn in the sign of Leo, anywhere in the chart, these individuals are very authoritative in their life, very authoritative. Also, 11th house, it is the house of your friend circle as well, professional friend circle. Initially, these individuals, they are going to acquire the friend circle from every duration of, like from everywhere. And it depends upon the condition of the Saturn, whether they are going to stay with them for the longer duration of time or not. But these individuals usually have 1 to 2 friends that are going to live with them throughout their life. And that is also a karmic thing which is connected with your 11th house. Lastly, Saturn is aspecting your 2nd house. This is the house of your family, wealth and savings. First of all, Saturn is going to, with its 10th aspect, it is going to give you a lot of curiosity in the 2nd house things as well. And that is somewhat connected with the investment part as well, looking into the financial perspective of the life. And 2nd house, it is the house of your family as well. So like this Saturn sometime, like they are the kind of persons who are going to excel in their entire family. No one in their family, in their entire family that have excelled to that position, but this Saturn has the karma with the 2nd house. So you are the kind of persons who are going to take your family to the next level. So that is also seen. Secondly, 2nd house is the house of your mouth, speaking ability. Initially, these individuals are very shy. They will not be able to speak or like talk very comfortably, because Saturn is restricting the 2nd house. But with the passage of time, these individuals can become very fluent speakers as well. Because I will tell you, Saturn is a very mature planet, and Saturn way of teaching things, that is a very practical way, very hardcore kind of a way. They can become very good teachers as well, very good spiritual gurus, masters as well, who are teaching other individuals, like very good financial advisors as well, how to save money, how to this thing and that thing. So that thing is going to be very, very good. But if Saturn is debilitated in your 5th house, or it is in the inimical sign, it is going to restrict all that areas of your life, and there are going to be sufferings that are interconnected with everywhere. It is preferable or advisable for you, if your Saturn is in the 5th house, don't look for the shortcuts. Never ever do the shortcut method. Although speculative gains are going to be good for you, but that too in the longer duration, depending upon the placement of Mercury as well. So if you are having Saturn in the 5th house, this Saturn at some point in your life, it is going to take you into the field of speculation as well. Speculative gains, all such kind of activities. Because malefic planets have the tendency to generate more and more wealth, more and more money. Benefic planets on the other hand, they are not concentrated upon money aspect. And that is why in the Kali Yuga, in the 3rd house, in the 7th house, in the 10th and 11th house, even in the 6th house, if your malefic planets are very, very strong, it means you are a very hardcore person. No matter, irrespective of the circumstances, you have the willpower and courage to succeed in your life to up to very large extent. So that is why Saturn's here aspecting on the 7th and 11th house, it means growth in their life is going to come after marriage. After marriage, their spouse is also going to support them in the financial perspective in order to grow. Because I have seen the practical charts, I'm telling you, I've seen lot of charts of the individuals having Saturn in the 5th house. And I've seen the level of growth which they have acquired after marriage as well. Because as soon as the 7th house of marriage is going to get activated, it means 11th house and the 2nd house of money and wealth is going to totally activated. And if Saturn's both the aspects is upon the money and wealth, your life is completely going to revolve around the security and power. I want power and security at the same time. And this Saturn has the ability to give you everything as well. But you have to be patient and working consistently towards something. It is surely going to bring a lot of success in your career path. So that's it guys from my side in this video. I hope you like the analysis. If you have any queries, any consultations, do let me know at my mail ID. I'm going to respond you back as soon as possible. Till then, hit the like button if you really enjoyed this video and make sure to subscribe my channel below. I'm going to meet you very, very soon in the next video and follow me on Instagram as well. So till then, please take care. Bye-bye. May Lord Shani bless you.